Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-post from Google News to WordPress. Under the WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select Google News as the campaign type. Visit news.google.com. Search your desired keyword. Copy the news URL. Paste the news URL in this box. Click the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new post got imported successfully. You can click the Run Now button as many times as you like. You can set an update interval starting from 1 minute, and the plugin will try to add a new post every update interval. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is on the description.